Hey, it's Aaron. Kia's unveiled a new electric vehicle. This is the EV4, which will be size and model wise similar to the K4 sedan. There's both a sedan and hatchback version of the EV4, and the exterior was unveiled at the Kia EV Day event in Korea. The EV4 will feature kind of a wing-shaped front and rear bumper look, which is commensurate with other EV models like the EV6, EV9. Well, not really the EV9, it's kind of a box. EV6. And it will have big 19-inch wheels. For the size of the car, those are pretty big, with a kind of triangular motif. You can see that in the picture, the way they look. They're kind of, it's a futuristic looking. Production is supposed to begin this year I have no idea how to say the name of this plant, but it's in South Korea, the EVO plant. It'll be a mid-sized car, so it'll be a little bit bigger than the K4, more along the lines of probably the K5 in actual size, and it will go into production this year and begin sales this year, but I don't think we'll see a 2025 model in the US. We'll probably see it as a 2026. So there you go.